Hello, so today we are going to learn how to tune the guitar. We're going to tune it in standard tuning, E, A, D, G, B, E. Okay, so this is a 3x3 tuners, whatever configuration you have, it's always the same. So if you want to go down in pitch, you turn it clockwise. See? And if you want to go up in pitch, you turn it counterclockwise. So the first note we need is an E. So what do we have? We have a D. So we need to go up pitch. So it's D sharp now, almost the E. So I'm turning it counterclockwise. There we have E. Next one is A. So it's an A sharp. Can you see that? So I need to drop it to A natural, like so. Next one is D. It's a bit flat, so I need to raise it. So I need to go counterclockwise. Next one is G. It's flat, so I need to go counterclockwise. G. Next one is B. It's a bit flat. There we have B. A little bit over. To drop a little bit. The last one is the high E. Oh. We are sharp, so you turn it clockwise. The guitar is in tune. Thanks for watching. Comments, questions below. Bye bye.